Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming basics. Make sure your iPhone 13 is updated and on Wi-Fi because Apple ID creation requires network access. Once done, verify you have a phone number and recovery email available and decide on a strong password you can remember. Now, open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone. When the prompt appears, choose Create Apple ID. This starts the form entry. You are ready to enter name, birth date, and the email you want to use. Do it carefully. You now fill the account form, enter your name and birthday, then decide whether to use an existing email or create a free at Icloud. Com address, creating one ties your Apple services together. Next, type a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for security. This prevents unauthorized access. Choose and answer security questions thoughtfully. After that, Apple will send an SMS code to your phone when you receive it. Enter the code to verify your number and accept the terms. You finish setup by signing in with your new Apple ID and selecting iCloud features to sync. Enable iCloud backup, photos, contacts, and keychain as desired. These keep data safe across devices. Next, review storage. The free tier gives 5 GB. If you need more, upgrade to 50 GB or higher. Once configured, allow an initial iCloud backup to run over Wi-Fi. If sign-in or syncing fails, check Wi-Fi, correct date and time, and, if necessary, reset network settings. This usually...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.